Hi Libras, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies for mid-July 2021. In this reading I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies, alright, and this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. Alright, so let's get started with my Libras for July 2021, mid-July 2021. What is going on with my Libras in the middle of July 2021, please? And this is a Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign video. So if one sign does not resonate with you, you can go and check out my other signs as well. All right. Okay. And if you want to book a tarot appointment with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. All right, so the obstacle for you this week is the Knight of Pentacles, and at the back of the deck we have the Nine of Cups. Wow, so a wish fulfillment energy is going on inside you. Okay, so with the obstacle as Knight of Pentacles, I am really getting that, this is the time when you have to be a little slow. Okay, a little slow energies are really needed at this time, because you really need to pay some attention in some details. Okay, so you might be going through a situation which might be needing a lot of attention, a lot of detailing, a lot of analyzation, I would say. And you have to, whatever actions you are going to you are going to take in this time, you cannot take those actions just like it has come in my mind. Okay, let's just dig into that and just take an action. No, it is not necessary, it is not required, it is not advisable right now. I am going to clarify it more. Your overall energy is the Nine of Cups. This is telling me that you are very positive. See, the best part with the Nine of Cups is this is a very positive card, because after the Nine of Cups, the Ten of Cups will come. So that is everything you were thinking about is getting towards you. But Nine of Cups it is here. You haven't reached the Ten of Cups yet. So that means you just have to stay there. You really need a little more patience for your situation, what is going on. Just need to one step more and you will be done with the Ten of Cups. Okay, if this is a love situation you are dealing with, you are going better. Okay, so whatever the situations are going in front of you, your energies are fine, your energies are positive, you are positive for that thing. Whatever the thing is, whatever the person is dealing with you, howsoever they are dealing, but somewhere or the other you have a really positive mindset. So that is why the advisable energies for you is just be patient for some more time. Okay, so the hidden energies which the universe wants to tell you is the number one is the Ace of Wands. All right, so we have over here the universe is trying to tell you that the plannings which are coming in your mind, the actions which are coming in your mind, they really need some actions now. Okay, so the planning is done. You are very bold, you are very courageous that you have thought about that thing at least. So you are already going a very beautiful way. You have chosen a very beautiful path in front of you. You are going good. Okay, you have done good. So next is the Six of Wands. Okay, some of you might have also achieved some recognition in that field, might be in job. Okay, so you might have got some recognition, but you are and you want some more recognition. So this is just a little victory, a little success, I would say, with the Six of Wands. Like there's more to go. It's like just be ready to achieve more situations, to achieve more success in life. And with this, if I talk about the love situation around you, I would like to say that the choices in your life, the wise choices in your life will bring you victory. You are thinking about some situation with your person. You are thinking, the universe is telling you, the universe is giving you some hints. But how are you taking them and what are the situations around you. So they play a big role. I'm going to clarify all this thing because this might not seem very logical to you right now, but let me come in detail. Okay, so next we have the Knight of Wands energy. So I'm getting a lot of wands. Okay, so Libra, so this is more of a fire energy which I'm getting for you. I feel that the universe is trying to tell you that the actions are required, but before that, planning is required. If you are ready to take some actions, why the obstacle is the Knight of Pentacles? Now I am able to understand that the universe is trying to tell you that the actions will only happen when the planning is like 100% done for you. If for some of you, you might have already planned some things and you are already working on that, but for those people who are yet to plan new things or some situations in your life, just plan it accordingly, because you will find victory somewhere. But you have to really just go a little slow. Okay, do not be judgmental, do not think a lot, just go the way you are going already. All right, stand up for yourself. For whatever decisions you are going to take, stand up for yourself. Ace of Pentacles energy. So this is more of a new beginning in new situations. I see more of a very practical Libra over here, a person who really feels practically, who thinks practically, who always thinks that, you know, life is all about practicality. That is a Libra which is coming up here. I don't know why the slow energies are coming for you as an obstacle. So let me clarify this Knight of Pentacles. Please tell me more about this Knight of Pentacles. Okay. Eight of Swords, Five of Swords and Magician. Something is not right, Libra. There is something, either you are feeling very afraid of something, you are feeling afraid of some situation, afraid of someone, or you are just in an illusion that you are, you know, you might not be in some kind of entrapment, but you are feeling that you are trapped right now, but you are actually not. If that is the case, but I don't feel so, because I feel that somebody is trying to harm you from outside, some kind of a toxic relationship you might be in, because you are at a situation. See, the slow energies are coming your way because it's not you who is making the energy slow around you. It's the other people, as other person or other people who are doing so. You are being the victim of a situation right now. See, you are trying to manifest new things, but the manifestations are not working right because you are in a very bad state of mind, and that is why your manifestations will also not work right now. So if you are at any state like that, so that is why your energies are going slow, everything is going slow around you. But I'm very glad that still, whatever is happening around you, you are still very positive towards reaching your goals. Yeah, your present might be very tough to handle. You might be feeling left out in the cold. You might be feeling that you are, you know, there is nothing left around you. Let me clarify the Nine of Cups energy. Sun, Eight of Pentacles and Four of Pentacles. Yes, you are coming towards the limelight. You might be working really hard for a situation to go in your way, go in your direction. See, your wishes are coming true. They will come true, so do not worry about that thing. Whatever that situation is, these are the temporary situations you are dealing with. Whatever you are dealing with, this is just temporary. This might just end up for some months or some days, some weeks only, okay? But your real situation is the victory, the goals which you are thinking about. All right, Four of Pentacles, just stick into that. Just keep a hold in the situation. Like, whatever will happen, I am there. I am working on myself. I am working on my relationship if you really want to. All right, so so before that, let me tell you the past energies. The World, Nine of Pentacles and the Hermit we have in the past. So there was a situation where you actually received some kind of a success in the past. It might be a new journey which you have started, or it might be completion of something major, basically good completion, or you might have attained something, like you might have entered into a new relationship. That is an accomplishment you wanted to enter into. You were you were enjoying a lot for the situation, for the accomplishments for which you were working for. And I am really seeing a very good person in the past with the World and the Nine of Pentacles, to be very honest. This is the financial fulfillment card. We would say that, you were doing really good, but something was there, okay, in the past only. Something came into a pause. Like when we are very happy in a relationship and it goes really good, but all of a sudden it just goes away, it just, there's a time when it comes a pause or a halt, whatever we say, where we start feeling a little lonely, and that time has come in your past. We'll clarify, of course. In the present, we have Five of Pentacles, Six of Cups, and renewal. So there is a reconciliation going on in your life. Either you are reconciling, you are basically meeting the person from the past, or you are trying to connect with someone from the past. There is a strong refreshment, I would say. It is more like a time to realize and a time to release. Okay, so this is a time when you are realizing some situations, some mistakes from the past. But there was, whatever this person left you out in the cold. Okay, so this person can be you as well. So it goes vice versa. So somebody out of you both left one person out in the cold. So your person left you out in the cold. Then again, you were working on yourself. Okay, so you left me. The pause came. Okay, fine. I didn't want an answer, but now they want to come back. Okay, so or you want to go back to them. So whosoever this person is, it's more like, when a person really is in a state where I don't want to talk to you anymore. I have released myself with you. I have released that situation now. I'm pretty good in my life. So that is a situation going on with you. Let's see what is coming up in the future. It's the King of Cups, Six of Pentacles, and Nine of Wands. So see, this is a very give and take kind of an energy when we talk about. Okay, so if you are ready to give a cup, to give an offer to anyone, or love offer to anyone, the other person needs to accept it. Then only it goes on like a give and take relationship. If not, then the other person blocks. Okay, I'm seeing blocking energy. It can be either you or your person who is blocking, but we will clarify now what is going on. I really want to know the world energy in the past. Who is this world energy? What kind of this thing is? Tell me more about the world card. Five of Wands, Death, and Nine of Swords. For some of you, there was a new beginning. For some of you, it was an end. An end which went really bad. An end which was like, it left you in depression. It left you out like nowhere. And this is for some of you only. For some of you, it was like, okay, fine, I am really... many people actually came out very quickly from the situation. But I am really seeing that many of you couldn't. It was a lot of depression, anxiety situation, it is like that kind of a place where you were already into anxieties and depression prone. You felt like, daily and daily, it was like fights and arguments. In fact, sometimes not even fights, it was just a cold war between you both. It was like, why this person is not even talking to me now? All of a sudden, this person ghosted me. Because I am really seeing Knight of Pentacles. Ghosting, Hermit, ghosting. See, so whatever this person was, wherever this person was, it never involved you. Okay, this person never involved you in a situation, involved you in the happiness, whatever that situation was. You were always alone. You felt alone because you were left out in the cold. And now when this person wants to come back to you, it's like, excuse me, like how could you come back to me? How could you? Okay, you left me out and now you are coming back. How is this possible? Let's see. I really want to know the energies for Six of Cups, please. So we have King of Cups, Seven of Wands, and the Fool. So I don't feel that you want to go back to the same person again, because this is more of a sort where you are really taking your own stand. You are fighting for yourself, your beliefs. You are fighting for that situation which happened to you when you were alone. Okay, so you are ready to fight. You are ready to explore new things. You are ready to explore new world. You are feeling very, you are in a very carefree mode, if I would say. But yes, you are not there anymore. I would say that no for me, Libras. I don't see that. There is a strong reconciliation energies, to be very honest. The other person is trying to connect. Either it's you or the other person, if you are cross watching, so it can be Libras as well. So yeah, strong reconciliation energies, but I don't see it happening. Okay, let me clarify this King of Cups in the future energies. Who is this King of Cups and why it has come here? Two of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, and Ten of Wands. Okay, Libras. So whosoever this person is, I would tell you that there is no strong commitment from them. If this person has left you out in the cold before, they will leave you out in the cold again. Okay, so I see a reconciliation. I see somebody coming back, but not with a strong possibility or with a strong whatsoever. I don't know, but this does not seem promising, to be very honest. Okay, your future energies with this person who came back again, who left you out in the cold, who were like, almost ghosted themselves like for years or months, and they're coming back. So it's not promising. And you know what, with the Six of Pentacles, what I feel that they are not ready to give the love. They came back to accept the love again, which you used to give them before. So do not accept this person. I don't know why, but I'm not getting very positive vibes in this reading. Although the King of Cups has came twice. King of Cups is very, very good, very nurturing, very loving, but still I don't see the King of Cups qualities over here. Tell me more about the Six of Pentacles, please, in the future. Yeah, Ace of Swords, the High Priest, and Six of Cups. So yes, again, I'm ready to clarify, I'm ready to talk, and let's get back again, let's reconcile again, because I'm seeing, to be very honest, I am seeing reconciliation energies, Libras, but it does not come promising. And when the things are not promising enough, and when things are not confirmed enough, there's no use staying in the situation again. Okay, let's see the Nine of Wands energy in the future. Who's this Nine of Wands? Tell me more about the Nine of Wands, please. Nine of Cups, Seven of Swords, and Queen of Pentacles. Somebody else is coming your way. This is not the person, because they will go back again. Whatsoever they used to be in the past, whosoever they were in the past, the reality will never change. The nature of a person will never change. Okay, so this is your reading, my dear Libras. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.